Kita sa quadrante, balik ko natin.
Mga mana sa ina, emosyonal.
Kita kasi sa kami, kailangan huyan gusto kong joke sa
Thank you, celebrant. And with that, please make a wish and blow your 18 candles.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Our celebrants 18 candles. Again, let's give a round of applause. Okay, now please join me in welcoming the parents of our celebrants, Mr. Rodrigo Reyes and Mrs. Bebot Reyes, as they come forward to share their heartfelt words to us.
Ah, live yan at saka. Tangtangon na god. Ikaw. Sige, bot.
Nakaw nito, bot. Di ba nakaw na dito? Dito ni Ron.
Evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. This decision for tonight was very challenging and full of angst because, you know, some people know don't much to their mind. Significant take care of yourself. Adulting is not an easy ride. Continue to be sensible and responsible. Always do your best. Be kind to one another. To the people who are behind this celebration, you know, I was not really gonna celebrate a big party like this because I'm not into this thing. But I was encouraged and shall I say pushed by someone to do it for her last of my children, and that's Maria.
Marima.
People to the kitchen army, spearheaded by Jackson Marima. All the people that put food on the table. That was very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, God bless, and hope you have a good health. Stay well.
And enjoy.
The birthday celebrants.
May we give again them a warm round of applause. Wait, there's more. The parents of our son prepared a special song number.
Pakilagay sa bag mo.
Ayan po, Ate Pebot, who will sing Mahogany by Diana.
Kasi kanaluhan yung mga
Do you know where you're going through? Do you like the things that I've been showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you think what is heaven? Well, there's no open door, and what I'm hoping for. Do you know? I'm glad the last day.
Great.
Paningot ko. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y hindi tayo na bago. Kailanman, nasaan man, mabuhang mundo, kaya ako'y saktan at yakapin.
Wala pa kayo mga kamay?
Pagdating ng araw, iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Napaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig na lagi sa'yo. Kahit mag-iwan ka, kahit mag-iwan na
Thank you so much! Palakpakan again!
Enjoy a $1.99 Happy Meal exclusively on the McDonald's app.
The uplifting power pair with collagen technology for firmer.
Woo, that's really nice performance. Thank you so much. And now, may I call again the father of our celebrants,
Sige lang.
Kim and our debutante, Megan, with their loving father, Kuya Rod, for a father and daughter dance. DJ, please hit the music.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment, and each other's face. So much in love, you're alone in this place, like there's nobody else in the world. I was enough for her not long ago. I was her number one. She told me so, and she still she breathed, when she first smiled at me, I knew the love of the fire was here. And I prayed that she'd find me someday, but it's still hard to give her away. I loved her first. How could that beautiful
Now we're every time.
be the same freckled face kid that I knew? One that I read all these fairy tales to, tucked in the bed all those nights. And I knew the first time I saw you with her, it was only a matter of time. I loved her first, I held her first, and a place in my heart will always be hers. From the first breath she breathed, when she first smiled at me, I knew the love of her father was here. I prayed that she'd find you someday, but it's still hard to give her away. I loved her first. From the first breath she breathed, when she first smiled at me, I knew the love of her was here. You might know what I'm going through. Stars of you, I love her first.
Hilak sa kapila na eh. Iya maning live. Nice. Nasa. Yates, malaki na sila.
When I say hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip, hip hip. Okay.
Wala galing kong pakuha kayo live. Isa man ang cellphone? Yeah.
Without further ado, let's welcome our celebrants Kim and Megan to deliver their speech.
Thank you all for being here today. It really means a lot to us. We appreciate everything everyone's doing for us. Ninong Jackson, Jackson, America, people who decorated it. Thank you so much for all that's doing. Kita Alin Tita FM, Tita Jackson, Tita America, thank you all very much. As someone who's kind of I'm just very thankful for this. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much, celebrants. Now, let's go to the exciting part. We have first performance. May I call Megan and Jasmine.
Hindi man kayo live ka na. Init na kayo sa
Wala ni battery. Kinsa may nagtanawan niya. I-finish na lang ni